Ohayou gozaimasu, everyone. Here is the morning spread. 15 grams banana milk protein, a 5 mini with 6 grams of fiber. This is from yesterday. I'm going to drink it. It's a protein jelly. And then an egg sandwich. They did not have my yogurt that I wanted to eat, so that's why I had all these other things. Itadakimasu!
5号車です。この電車は無償で姫路、相生、岡山、福山に止まります。3A14 号車対応終了です。対応終了、4回出発。よし。
Chocolate banana. I have no idea if you can hear me. Currently at Mr. Donut, I got a strawberry black fender pondering and a white chocolate cookie cruller and a latte. This one's got stuff inside. In Osaka now, we are in the Namba area and we're going to the market so we can try for strawberry omelette. We missed out last time. Hopefully we get it this time. This little cafe. Here's Kuromon Market. Oops. Let's go find my strawberry omelette. Strawberry omelette. Yes! They have it!
Yeah, they have so many. Okay, bye.
We've been waiting a year for this. Mecha oishii. Hi. No, that's so good. Mmm. Mmm. So yummy. You see it, you buy it. My juice. Candied fruit. This is fruit. Wow. Arigato. Oh, wait, here.
Okay.
Arigato gozaimasu. Whoa. I'm scared.
Oh my lord.
Bite it, bite it.
It's radiating.
No, your side was too chewy. So you gotta get this part. Maize gang sauce.
Ooh, we painted on. Very nice.
Wow. Wow. I got this one. I'm at 551 Horai. This is the grand menu where you can sit and eat, and they have more than their regular menu. Wait, no gyoza?
Gyoza is only to go?
I don't know.
Let me check.
Only to go? Where's the gyoza? 551 Horai. Oh no, not for me.
You get plain? You don't put like any sauce?
No.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Is it
Black sesame? What is it? I'm gonna put this here. Hey. Xiao Pao.
Oh, you don't like it?
As the Filipinos say, Xiao Pao. That's what they call it. Xiao Pao. Bao.
in Filipino? That one is Chopin.
We are currently at round 1 because we are gonna play games and bowling. Time will tell. What the fuck? This man's beside me. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. No! Go, 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 go. No! One more time. One more time. Go, 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 go. Lock it, lock it, lock it, lock it. Go, 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 go. Ah! Oh no, it's picking up too much. It's picking up too much. Ah!
There you go, right?
Ooh, Japanese style. Yay. We wait? Medium. Well done. Okay. First bite. Mmm.
Sprinkles on that dip in the lemon.
So good. Beef tongue.
What is he
dipped
saying
in
when he
lemon.
brings the food?
I don't
What does he say when he brings it?
know. What part?
He says, it almost sounds like he's saying Merry Christmas.
We ordered for kimchi. We ordered cucumber. Oh, careful.
おろすはおろしポンとわさび混ぜるんじゃなくて一つのお肉に一つのタレでお願いします
Corn tea.
Vegetable juice.
Vegetable juice. Oh, yasai juice. Yasai juice. That's what we wanted to know what this was last year. Yasai juice. Why are you not drinking?
Why are you drinking one again?
Made it back to Kyoto, and now we are getting a sweet treat before we go home. Okay, we are back at the hotel now. I will show you my selection. First, I gotta fill my water. I am thirsty. So I got a rice cake, which is daifuku with matcha and whipped cream. And then I also got a brulee. I've been looking for this forever, so I'm excited to try it because I've never tried it and I heard it was really good. So what is that? I always hear stuff. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, it's soft. Not bad. Not bad. I've been looking for this all over Japan and I have finally found it. So let's give it an unboxing. Cool, huh? So it's a cold creme brulee. You can come, it's fine. Okay. Oh, it actually cracks. Whoa. That is good. Try. That's good. Osusume.